In this sprint, I was able to go and work on the deck builder some. You can see how it loads in here. These are currently 2 test decks that I have filled out, so we'll go and create a new deck. Create. And we'll go and enter in a card that wants to be added into the repository. And then we'll click the search button. This will go and run, and then it will go and actually add the card, the information into a list that's scrollable, and that way you can see what cards are in the list and see a little description of what they may also do. And here I'll go and add another card. You can see here where it adds more information about that. And I'll go ahead and add one more. So this will go and add in the card information from searching from a API repository, and returns the information that the player can use to create their deck and see a bit of graphical information as well as some text information of what their deck contains and some of the abilities it has in there. The save function is currently not working due to some file formatting issues with the API that is produced from the card repository, so those will be fixed later. And then you can see it comes back to here. On load, the deck will be saved, or on unload, the deck will be saved. So in case you ever have to go and back out, or the application may go and close, it will try and save your data there. And that's what I've completed for this sprint.
This week, most of what I did was behind the scenes doing research for future features, but I did work on the user interface for the app to make all the buttons match more with our theme. As you can see, they are now a dark gray with gold text. This is true throughout the app. All the buttons have been changed to reflect that, and they're a lot more visible throughout the app as well. You can see this in the life counter. It's now clear that these are buttons, whereas before they were just black background. Same here. So I've made this change all over the app, and that is what I did as far as visible changes this week.
Okay, so I did the card information lookup for this week. Go into our card information. We got a search box here. We're going to put in the name of a card, hit enter. It'll give us the cards that match that as well as the set they're in. You can see we got 2 cards that are the same but just from different sets. Click on that. It takes us to a page that'll display a picture of the card, the name of the card set, the description, the rarity, the creature type, the cost, and its legality. We can go back and look for another card. And we just go in and look at it. And again, we got all the same information as well. This one has flavor text on it as well, so we display that. And that is what I did this week.